welcome back to my channel. In this week's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own clicking game on Scratch. If you don't know what a clicking game is, it's a game where you click something and it makes a sound and your score goes up. If that still doesn't make sense, then you'll just have to stay tuned in today's video. And before we get started, if your subscribe button is red, go ahead and make it grey, turn your notifications on all so you don't miss a single one of my new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is we need to delete the default sprite by clicking the little bin button next to the sprite. Alright, so now let's choose a backdrop. So mine's not going to be too hard, it's going to be very simple, it's just a blue sky because it's a really basic game. Now I'm going to choose a sprite. So the sprite that I'm going to choose is just a balloon. You can choose a ball or a star or whatever you want to choose. I'm just going to choose a simple balloon. And there is actually different costumes on the balloon, so you can change the colour to whatever colour you want, but I'm just going to be using blue. Now I'm going to add some code onto this balloon. So I'm going to go into control and get a forever loop, and then go into motion and get a glide 1 second to random position block, and add a 1 green flag clicked on top of that. So now I'm going to test that code out and see if it works. So we're going to click the green flag and it should just glide. Yep, so that's working fine. Now let's add some more code. So I'm going to go back into the control category and get a if then block and add that underneath the glide 1 second one. Now we're going to go into sensing. The sensing category, and we're going to get a touching mouse pointer block and add that after the if on the if then block. And now we're going to go into sound and get a play sound pop until done. So now let's test that out. I don't think you're going to be able to hear the sound on the screen, but when I am touching the balloon it is making a pop sound when I touch the balloon, and you don't actually have to click it, you can just hover over and it'll still make the sound. So now we're going to go into the variables category, and we're going to make our own variable. So we're going to go there and we're going to click make a variable, and we're going to name that score, because this is going to be the score of the balloon. Whenever we click it or hover over it, we want it to change by 1. So we're going to get a change my variable to 1 block on the screen. I accidentally set my variable to, but I do change that, so make sure you get change my variable and change that to change score by 1, and we're going to put that on top of play sound pop until done. Now we're going to test that out. So we're going to click the green flag, and now when I hover over the balloon the score should change by 1. Yep, so that's working fine. And so now when we stop it and you start it again, we want it to change back to 0, but it's still 3. So we're going to change that to 0 now by getting a set my variable to 0. So we're going to change that to set score. Then we're going to put that underneath 1 green flag click. So we want to automatically change to 0 every time I click the green flag. Anyways guys, that's all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell button next to the subscribe button. Click all so your notifications will always come whenever I post a new video, and comment down below video ideas if you want me to do anything else other than Scratch, or if you want me to do a game or anything, then just put them in the comments and I'll sure to get back to you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.